Hi, you guys. Say hi. Laura, where are you? Oh, you way back there. We are in Edenton, and this is the beautiful Albemarle Sound. Where?
It has a fish.
Oh, it has a fish. There's a seagull with a fish. Like I said, we're in the quiet but beautiful town of Edenton. We just got here not long ago, walking on the pier, surrounded by water completely. And there are the beautiful girls. We're en route to another destination, but we made a quick stop here to do a little bit of exploring. That's what we're gonna do. We'll bring you along. Okay, a quick hotel room tour. We have our little kitchenette, our microwave, our fridge, coffee, but we'll probably go downstairs because they have a full breakfast. This is the closet. Let's see. Extra blanket up there, the usual. Let's step into the bathroom. We just got here, you guys. Is there a light?
Yeah, there is.
Oh, okay.
The bottom one.
Yep.
They have a vanity.
Yeah, nice bathroom. I like this mirror. Shower. Good conditioners and body wash. Very nice. Here's the room. It's pretty cold in here. You'll be able to see the little fog and stuff on the window. We have our bags in the corner. TV.
The desk was right there, but Laura has a chair.
Yep, this is the desk. There's Laura. And although we're in an oceanfront hotel, we're on the street side. And all the beach houses out here. Bless you, baby. Yeah, so this is where we'll be. Crazy. Wait, where's the light? There's the light. Okay. It's completely dark. All right, you guys, so we're gonna get settled in. I think we're gonna go to the store, maybe get a little bit of food to go in the fridge. And what's that?
We also need to show the indoor pool once we get a chair.
Oh yeah, we're gonna go exploring. They have an indoor pool on the second floor, and that's the same floor where breakfast is in the morning from 6:30 to 9:30. It's 5:40 now, so let us get settled. And by the way, we're in Nags Head. That's where we are, the Outer Banks. I forgot to tell you that.
5 hours. I think there's like
The Outer Banks, you guys! Yay, we made it! We're at Nags Head.
Sadly, we don't have a swimsuit, but right now we're going to be doing it.
Well, we do have our swimsuits. They're just in the room. We're just getting here to look around, check out the beach, see what's going
I have
on.
a positive message.
What do you have to
If
say?
you don't let your intrusive thoughts win, if you see a sandcastle, don't knock it down.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, because I feel like doing that.
I couldn't imagine knocking down someone else's sandcastle.
I could imagine, but I'm not going to do it.
How's the water, girls? You weren't saying, you weren't giving it a thumbs up a few minutes ago. You were freezing. No pool time for me, you guys. I am chilling here on my chair, relaxing. We went to Food Lion and got some stuff to eat. We got dinner and things for lunches and other stuff to, you know, tie us over when we're in the hotel room. So we're gonna, let the girls swim. It's like 8:30, 8:40, something like that. The pool closes at 10. Then we'll go shower and prepare for tomorrow. It's gonna be a fun day.